So hello guys, happy New Year. Welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Today we're gonna be downloading Kelly Leno, no Pulpo Kelly Leno, which is used for SOC analysts. So we're gonna Kelly, just you type Kelly. So it's gonna be in the same here. Uh Install image. So gonna be Kelly Pulpo. And down here, Kelly Pulpo. Click download, so it's already started download. So now we're gonna go to Fire Explorer and we're gonna go to the downloads area. It's right here. Hasn't okay now yes. So we're gonna create a new folder. Now call it Kelly Purple. So we're gonna trap the download here, and then when I make the folder to virtual tools, we got everything. So now we're gonna go to our virtual machine. So let me move it to here and adjust to the screen. Okay, we're gonna click as a new. We're gonna call it Kelly Purple, right? Like that 12 and a 5, which one? So we're gonna change it here to Linux, Debian 64 is okay. Let's see, it's gonna be for some analysts, so we wanna be working with Splunk, Elastic. So let give you like a lot of spray and run, that can move. So here, look all good. Kelly Purple, yeah, Debian, good. Space, no, had to be 60. At least 60 gigabyte. Uh, PM finish. Now we're gonna go to setting. Gonna go systems. No, it's good. We're gonna go solid to network. I'm gonna change it to bridge adapter. And so we're gonna now go split. Uh, so good. In our storage, we're gonna select the empty one. I'm gonna here in the disco. I'm gonna choose the file. I'm gonna click virtual tool, search for Kelly, which is the first one. Click open, okay, and start. It's on right here. Just let me move it to here. Make a little bigger. So press enter. It's gonna be the same process the way that we install Kelly. It's the same process, so which is easy. So English, United States, is depend the country where you are. In English, here when I left as a Kelly, his name, continue. domain, so we know in the domain yet, so leave it like that without for now when I'm Latin cyber, and so we click continue. Yeah, user account for Latin cyber, so password and password again, now continue. So yes, so my personal understanding is Kelly Purple is better for SOC analyst because it's have already installed a lot of tools that later on we will be showing off. So how to use the tool, but for me it's better. So guy, yes, continue. All five, yes, continue. Yeah, finish, continue. Yes, continue. But there's like before I applied to and so we're gonna leave as a default. Yeah, we're gonna leave it as a default. Fully default environment. So yeah, continue. So here, continue. Uh, yes, continue. Back. Sorry, my bad. Continue. We select the second one and continue. So click continue to reboot. So when I say Latin server, just let me make it bigger. Yes, so we have installed it yet. It's installed. So now we turn it off. So when I make a clone, make a little one full clone. So we have our clone right there. That's the one we're gonna use. I like the clone always. If it's something happen like that, you don't have to install the home thing again and do the whole process. So guys, that's it for today. And remember, if you like the video, don't forget to leave your comment, give a like, and subscribe. See you to the next video.